How to fix Roblox avatar not changing. First is to head over to Settings. Scroll down until you find Apps. Then using the search icon found on the upper right corner, search for Roblox. Scroll down and then tap on Storage, and then tap Clear Data. But before you tap on Clear Data, make sure that you remember all of your login credentials such as your username, email, and your password, as you will be needing this for you to log in back to your account. Now once you've tapped Clear Data, go back and then tap Force Stop, which you can find on the lower right corner. After this, open the application and then log into your account and then see if the issue has been resolved. And so, that is how you fix Roblox avatar not changing. Thank you and have a great day.